गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે હાર્મોનિક પ્રોગ્રેશન એનો ટાઈપ 2 એનો આપણે ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 2, if gm and hm of two number are 8 and 64 by 17 respectively, find the numbers. Okay, let's assume that numbers are a and b. Okay. First gm is equal to 8. Second hm is equal to 64 by 17. Now what is gm? Gm is equal to under root ab. 8 is equal to under root ab. Take square both side. 64 is equal to AB. Okay. Now HM 64 by 17. What is HM? HM is equal to 2AB upon A plus B. 64 by 17. What is 2AB? So AB we have AB 64. So 2 multiplied by 64 divided by A plus B. 64 cancel thase. So AB here division સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે A plus B. 17 ડિવિઝનમાં સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. A plus B is equal to 17 multiplied by 2, 34. So A is equal to 34 minus B. A is equal to 34 minus B. Put here A is equal to 34 minus B. 64 in place of A, 34 minus B multiplied by B. 64 is equal to 34B minus B square. So B square is equal to minus 34B. B square is equal to minus સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો પ્લસ થઈ જશે b સ્ક્વેર. 34 પ્લસ છે સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો માઇનસ થશે. પ્લસ 64 ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 0. b સ્ક્વેર ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 34b પ્લસ 64 ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 0. નાઉ 64ના આપણે એવા પાર્ટ પાડવાના છે કે જેનો સમ 34 થતો હોય. 64 34 32 multiplied by 2, that is 64. B square 32b minus 2b plus 64 is equal to 0. Here b common, b minus 32, here minus 2 common, minus common કાઢશું એટલે અંદરની સાઇન પણ ચેન્જ થઈ જશે. b minus 32, b minus 2 or b minus 2, b minus 32 is equal to 0. So b minus 2 is equal to 0 or b minus 32 is equal to 0. b is equal to 2 or b is equal to 32. Now find A. What is A? A is equal to A is equal to 34 minus B. A is equal to 34 minus B. First of all, put B is equal to 2. 34 minus 2, 32. Put B is equal to 32. 34 minus 32, 2. So, when B is equal to 32, then A is equal to 2. B is equal to 2, then A is equal to 32. This is your answer. Now next, example number 3. If AM and HM of two numbers are 13 and 144 divided by 13, find those numbers. સૌથી પહેલા let's assume that the numbers are A and B. AM is equal to 13. HM is equal to 144 divided by 13. What is AM? A plus B divided by 2. 13 is equal to A plus divided by 2. 13 સામેની સાઈડ જશે, 26 is equal to A plus B. Now HM. What is HM? 2AB upon A plus B. 144 divided by 13 is equal to 2AB upon A plus B. A plus B is equal to 26 we have. Here A plus B is equal to 26. Okay. 26 divided by 2, that is 13. 13 cancel. So 144 is equal to AB. Now 26 minus B is equal to A. Put A is equal to 26 minus B. 144. A is equal to 26 minus B multiplied by B. B अंदर मल्टीप्लाई થશે બ્રેકેટમાં. 26B minus B square. B square લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ આવશે એટલે પ્લસ થઈ જશે. 26 લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ આવશે તો પ્લસ છે તો માઇનસ થઈ જશે. પ્લસ 144 ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 0. 144 ના આપણે એવા પાર્ટ્સ કરવાના છે કે એનો સમ 26 થાય. B square minus 26B plus 144. 24 multiplied by 4. 22 multiplied by 6. 20 multiplied by 8. 144 divided by 26. 26 ના એવા ભાગ પાર્ટ કરવાના છે કે એનો સમ એનો પ્લસ કરીએ તો 26 થાય. ઓકે. 18 multiplied by 8. 18B minus 8B plus 144 is equal to 0. Take B common. B minus 18. Take 144 divided by 18. Take 8 common. B minus 18 is equal to 0. B minus 8. B minus 18 is equal to 0. B minus 8 is equal to 0 or B minus 18 is equal to 0. So B is equal to 8 or B is equal to 18. What is A? A is equal to 26 minus B. Put B is equal to 8. 26 minus 8. 26 minus 8, that is 18. A is equal to 18. Or put B is equal to 18. 26 minus 18, A is equal to 8. So when B is equal to 8, then A is equal to 18, or B is equal to 18, then A is equal to 8. This is your answer. Now next, here our type is completed. Next type, type 3. Relation between AM, GM and HM. Okay, what is relation? First of all, note relation GM square is equal to AM multiplied by HM. એટલે કે એરિથમેટિક મીન અને હાર્મોનિક મીનનો આપણે મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન કરીએ, એની પ્રોડક્ટ ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ, એનો આન્સર જીઓમેટ્રિક મીનનો સ્ક્વેર કરીએ એના જેટલો જ આવે. સો હિયર this is very important for us. So remember it for calculation of sum. GM square is equal to AM multiplied by HM. Okay. Now first example, 2xy are in GP. So 2xy are in GP. And 6 is arithmetic mean of x and y. 6 is arithmetic mean of x and y. Okay. First of all, we know that in GP, middle term square is equal to first term multiplied by last term. Okay, here 2xy are in GP, so middle term is equal to x square is equal to 2 multiplied by y. So x square is equal to 2 multiplied by y. Now next, what is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is equal to a plus b divided by 2. Here given that 6 is arithmetic mean of x and y. So 6 x plus y divided by 2. 2 સામેની સાઈડ જશે, મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. x plus y is equal to 12. So what is x? 12 minus y is equal to x. X is equal to 12 minus y. What is x? 12 minus y whole square is equal to 2y. 12 square 144 minus 12 multiplied by 2 24y plus y square is equal to 2y. Y square minus 24y plus 144 minus 2y is equal to 0. Y square minus 22y plus 144 is equal to 0. So we have to find out, sorry, this is 24 minus 2y, that is 26. We have to find out 144. આપણે એવા પાર્ટ કરવાના છે કે 144 એનું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન થાય અને એનો સબમિશન 26 થાય. સો y સ્ક્વેર માઇનસ 18y minus 8y plus 144 is equal to 0. Y common, y minus 18, minus 8 common, y minus 18. Y minus 8, y minus 18 is equal to 0. Y minus 8 is equal to 0 or y minus 18 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 8 or y is equal to 18. Now what is x? X is equal to 12 minus y. Put y is equal to 18. 12 minus 18, so minus 6. 18 minus 12 minus 6. Put y is equal to 8. 12 minus 8, 4. So when y is equal to 18, then x is equal to minus 6, or y is equal to 8, then x is equal to 4. This is your answer. Next, example number 2. The numbers x, y, x, 8, y are in GP. Okay, x, 8, y are in GP, and the numbers x, y minus 8 are in AP. X, y minus 8 are in AP. Find x and y. First of all, we know that in GP, middle term square is equal to first term multiplied by last term. What is GP? So this one are in GP. So 8 square is equal to x multiplied by y. 64 is equal to xy. Now we know that in AP, 2 multiplied by middle term is equal to first term plus last term. These are in AP. What is middle term? Y. 2y is equal to x plus minus 8. 2y is equal to x minus 8. So 2y plus 8 is equal to x. 2y plus 8 is equal to x. Put x is equal to 2y plus 8. 64 2y plus 8 multiplied by y. 64 2y square plus 8y. So 2y square plus 8y minus 64 is equal to 0. Y square plus 4y minus 32 is equal to 0. 32 ના આપણે એવા પાર્ટ પાડવાના છે કે એની બાદબાકી 4 થાય. 8 multiplied by 4, 8y minus 4y minus 32 is equal to 0. y common, y plus 8 minus 4 common, y plus 8 is equal to 0. y minus 4, y plus 8 is equal to 0. y minus 4 is equal to 0 or y plus 8 is equal to 0. y is equal to 4 or y is equal to minus 8. What is x? x is equal to 2y plus 8. x is equal to 2y plus 8. Put y is equal to 4. 2y. 2 multiplied by 4 plus 8. 2 multiplied by 4, 8 plus 8, 16. Put y is equal to minus 8. 2 multiplied by minus 8 plus 8, minus 16 plus 8, minus 8. So when y is equal to 4, then x is equal to 16. And y is equal to minus 8, then x is equal to also minus 8. This is your answer. Next, example number 3rd. If the sum of am and gm of two number is 56, so am plus gm is equal to 56, and the ratio of two number is 9:1. Let's assume that first number is 9x and second number is x, because here ratio is given. First one is 9x, second one is x. Find the number. What is am? am is equal to a plus b divided by 2. 9x plus x by 2, 10x by 2, 5x. This is am. What is gm? Under root ab. Under root 9x multiplied by x. Under root 9x square and root cut c 3x. gm is equal to 3m. am is equal to 5x. Now relation is given. am plus gm. am plus gm is equal to 56. What is am? 5x. What is gm? 3x is equal to 56. 8x is equal to 56. So x is equal to 56 by 8. X is equal to 7. So number are first number આપણે assume કરેલો છે 9x. 9 multiplied by 7, that is 63. Second number x, 7. So numbers are 63 and 7. Now last of this type, example number 4. If the arithmetic mean of two number exceed their geometric mean by 10, એટલે કે am gm કરતા 10 વધારે છે. The first number is 9 times more than the second number. first, second. Say for example this is x, then this is 9x because 9 times more. फर्स्ट सेकेंड नंबर जो x हशे तो फर्स्ट नंबर थशे 9x. नाउ a प्लस b डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 9x प्लस x बाय 2 5x. gm अंडर रूट ab अंडर रूट 9x multiplied by x, that is 9x square, that is 3x. Now am minus gm is equal to 10. 5x minus 3x is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 5. Numbers are first number 9x. 9 multiplied by 5 45. Second number x 5. So numbers are 5 and 45. Here our type is completed. In next session we will start our last type, that is type 4. Thank you.